Dito kami sa Seafood City kasi mag-order pang New Year mamaya. So, ayun ang mga kiddos again. Tapusit. And the barbecue. The famous barbecue of Seafood City. And syempre, pila galore yan, sigurado. Kasi madaming mag-o-order. So kami din, mag-o-order din kami doon. Sa palaran pala dito. So, nasan si Mommy? Ayan, nasa likod si Mommy. So let's go!
Good morning, Alba fandom!
Welcome back to our channel. Galing ni Kuya.
Hello!
So today, punta kami ng... Oh well, since it's the last day and nag-sick leave din ako kasi medyo hindi okay ang pakiramdam natin, 100%. But then, last day, it's 31st of December, so we're going to prepare para sa ating salubong de New Year. Ano bang tawag?
Medianoche.
Salubong de New Year. Medianoche. So, punta kami ng optical shop muna as part of our preparation. We'll check kung ano pa ang pwede nating i-claim. Sayang naman yung optical insurance natin. And then after that, we're going to Seafood City. Dito sa Calgary to order a platter for tonight's dinner. So samahan nyo kami ulit and happy holidays. Hoping everyone's having a great day so far. And advance happy new not advance but happy new year na pala sa Pilipinas as we record this. It's 2 a.m. in the Philippines now. So happy new year sa Pilipinas and to every Filipino. See you later.
No, Kuya Lian. Nag-start ng snow, last snow of 2024. Salubong sa 2025. Hindi naman malakas, pero nag-start na.
Arrow is going so funny.
Yeah, I know, right? That's Mommy's one. That's why it's so funny. Ayan.
No, I mean the
Malamig na
ganda.
pagsalubong ng
White
bagong
snow,
taon.
white
New Year.
in Calgary.
We're driving in Northeast Skyview.
Palabas ng Stony Trail again.
Yeah, the favorite one, Stony Trail. Papa Cornerstone pala. Ay, sa ito
Yeah,
yun.
cornerstone na to.
Yep.
Dahan-dahan lang tayo kasi
Always
madulas
be
na naman. May nakikita akong nasa nagwa-wobble-wobble na ang mga kotse.
A few moments later.
Dito na kami sa suking optical shop namin sa Calgary. And is everyone ready to go? Yeah. Alright, and then after that, we go to Seafood City, okay? See you, fam! Hey, fam! Nakakapagod. Ilang oras din tayo doon? 3 hours? Buti natapos na yung optical thingy namin and nagki-claim na si Donna. Sayang din kasi. So it's our last day of the year. So last day for you to be able to claim your optical insurance. So sayang din. Oh, gutom na kami. Let's go to Seafood City next. And then we go home. See you later, fam. Hi, Leon. Where are we now? Where? See?
Tower.
Seafood City. Okay. Alright. Nandito kami kasi mag-order pang New Year mamaya. So, ayun ang mga kiddos again. Ano ang gusto mo? The cart or this one? Small cart or the big cart? Okay. Alright, tara, let's go.
One for us and one more.
pusit, oh. The pusit. And the barbecue. The famous barbecue of Seafood City. And syempre, pila galore yan, sigurado. Kasi madaming mag-o-order. So kami din, mag-o-order din kami doon. Sa palaran pala dito. Nasaan si Mommy? Ayan, nasa likod si Mommy. So let's go! Okay, so Crispy Town lang kami. Sobrang haba ng pila dun sa Grill City. So, dito lang tayo sa Crispy Town. At syempre mahaba din yung pila. It's okay. It's New Year naman. So, dito na tayo lahat ng crispy. Grabe, sarap ng bangus, oh. Wow! Okay, so patience is virtue again. Antay lang tayo. See you later. Hey fam!
Welcome back to our channel.
Ooh, we're done with Seafood City. Mga 3 oras din kami. Grabe ang pila. Medyo madami talaga nag-grocery. Last minute shopping and grocery for the new year. So later, punta naman kami kina Monet and kay Kuya Alan na bahay para doon kami mag-New Year. And we'll see you guys later!
Hello, fam! Welcome back! On our way na, papunta sa aming kapamilya to celebrate ang salubong ng 2025. Medyo late na nga kami kasi nag-snow na din. So medyo careful kami mag-drive now. And the kids also nanaknap. So late na din silang nagising. So ngayon pala kami paalis at nag-ready. Papunta kami ng Southeast na naman po.
Again.
Yun na talaga. Sign na talaga to na lilipat na kami ng Southeast. So, Daddy is driving na now. Very careful. So, magiging happenings na naman namin ang salubong ng 2025 sa bahay ni Sis Monet at Kuya Alan. Thank you for inviting us again, Sis Monet and Kuya Alan. Mag-enjoy na naman ang mga kids.
Diana have a basement.
Yes,
We have a basement.
that's correct, honey. Alright, see you later. Update you guys.
Oceans you eat, sleep in heavenly. The King is born. The King is born in a manger. Christ the Lord. The King is born. The King is born in a manger. Christ the Lord. The King is born. The King is born. Time to save us. Christ the Lord. No, try again. Silent night. Holy night. Sky is bright. Stars bright. See our virgins lead.
Inagawan talaga.
Uy! Uy, ikaw na!
Oh! Go, go, live! Yun, first time, buti pa si Joseph. Nakatry na. Okay pala itong game na to. Ayos yung technique mo, ha? Wow! Yun! Very good, very good. Ang daoy! Uy, naku po! Nanginginig pa yan. Op! Op! Uy, matigas! Uy!
Timer. Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
Alright, let's go, lab.
Go!
Uy.
Grabe sila yun. Kasi buong na, oh.
Ay, grabe, dudulo. Easy. Easy, easy. Easy. Dandan lang, dandan.
Pere, sorry.
Ay, grabe! Dinulo! Dinulo!
2, 3, go!
Patay.
Tigan nito.
Teka, may tumawa! Ulit, may tumawa, may tumawa! May tumawa, may tumawa!
Bumaba na siya mag-isa.
Yon! Yon, nakuha ni Joseph.
Basa na, Joseph.
Salo ng tubig. Sige. Sigurado yan, sa dulo na eh. Mahal ko na.
Natatawa. Gumaganon yung chunk ko dito sa akin eh. Sa table eh. Let's go. Let's go. Ready, set, go! Oh, pasmado ko yan. Isang patak lang.
Timer.
20.
Diba, magaling yan.
Ganito magkasawang to.
Oo, takot ka sa ng tubig eh.
Pinalangag lang kami.
Para may ano, may 5%.
Okay, porsyento ka nga kaya. 3, 2,
Tandaan lang, para may 5%.
Oh, dito ka lang. Dito ka lang. Go!
Oh, one hand, oh.
Yung tissue yung naputol eh.
Kaya mo yan. You deserve this.
Ayan na! Hindi, lalaban pa! Lalaban pa! Uy! 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 Ay! Sayang! Ang tutay! Annabelle Marie! Wala na, meron pa! Wala na ba? Kuya! Kuya! Yan! No, not too close.
You blow.
Lian! Daddy's going to take a picture of you. Bilis! Akal sabay kayo ni ate.
Davon! Ubus ka na?
Ito pa oh.
I want to!
Okay.
Mommy, it's gonna go down!
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, the snow sorry.
Good morning, fam. I should say good afternoon pala, fam. And hindi na ako nakapag-record ng video kagabi to say bye-bye to everyone kasi masyadong late na. Madaling araw na kaming nakauwi. 3 to 4 a.m. na and diretso pasok din si Donna kanina ng 7. So, sobrang saya ng New Year. Year-end party namin kina Kuya Alan and kina Monette. So thank you for hosting. And of course, kay Joseph and kay Lai, thank you for the friendship. And to our family here, the Apaya, the Bernardino, thank you. And also to our new friends here in Calgary. Salamat sa pag-welcome sa amin. and making our year very special here. And yeah, looking back, in a sense, successful yung paglipat namin from Vancouver to Calgary. Although you heard the bad news of our condo fee increasing, but yep, that's just part of the challenge living here in Canada. So watch out for more videos to come. I will share more about our life here in Canada, the successes, the achievements, of course, the struggles, the challenges, and minsan bad news and some are good news. But anyway, that's for us to be able to improve ourselves here and to thrive more as Filipinos. Ay mga kababayan, salamat sa inyong panonood and continue supporting us. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's enjoy 2025. Let's work more, thrive more here in Canada, and let's pursue our dreams together. Happy New Year to everyone, and hang loose!